Hello, my name is Jacqueline, and this video is a description of how I made and designed a water barrel system. I made two barrels, one's for my mother in her yard, and that's what I'm working on first. And the second is a connected system, just two barrels so far. It's going to go in my backyard. The first step you want to do is drill two holes in your first barrel. I got overzealous because I thought the hole drill bit was a lot of fun. But you only want two holes in your first barrel. One's for the overflow, which is at the top, and the second is for the spigot. I used a 1/2 inch brass hose adapter, and the standard size is 3/4 inches. For whatever size you end up using, you want to increase the hole size by 1/4 inch. So for the standard 3/4 inch hose adapter, you need to drill a 1 inch hole. And actually it's probably recommended because it's easier to find the drill bit that you need at 1 inch. I used a 1/2 inch brass hose adapter because that was what Home Depot had in stock. So for this 1/2 inch hose adapter, I made a 3/4 inch hole. And I actually just made all of the holes the same size, so I only had to buy one drill bit. I used a silicone sealant in between the brass hose adapter and the plastic of the barrel, and I used something called a nut bolt. It's in the electrical section. You'll want to use the nut bolt on the inside of the barrel and tighten the brass hose adapter against the nut bolt. So for the spigot, you'll need what's called a nipple. I learned it's better to add the nipple because the nipple is wider in the middle, just slightly. So if you screw it in from the inside, the nut bolt might not screw all the way against the barrel. So screw it on from the outside in, and here I'm using the spigot to help screw the nipple into the barrel. And I'm going to unscrew it and add a rubber washer that will create a seal between the barrel and the spigot. And then on the inside of the barrel, I'm going to add another nut bolt. It's worth stating here too that you'll want a spigot that has a wide enough base that it can brace against the barrel. The first couple that I picked out were pretty, but not functional. You want one that doesn't have a lot of internal moving parts. So this is a simple design that an associate at Home Depot helped me choose that hopefully will last a long time. It doesn't have rubber on the inside and it can brace against the plastic. So here I'm just installing another spigot. Do you remember when I said I had been overzealous? In the first barrel, I drilled 2 overflow spouts when there should have been 1. So I took that opportunity to redesign the system. Here I'm installing what is called a female adapter, and I'm doing this on both barrels. A hose has 2 ends, male and female, and the female adapter is meant so that when I install the hose, I can combine an infinite amount of barrels that overlap. So for this first barrel, I'm installing the female adapter. There's already a male adapter, and then I'm going to cap the female end, hook a hose to the male end, connect that to the female end of the second barrel, and perhaps at that point I can add a third barrel.